Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear chat history in Discord server channels. Unfortunately, there is no way to clear direct messages chat history, so you can just only delete your own messages from the history like this. Even if you remove the person from your direct messages, the person still can write you and all chat history will be restored. But if you have a Discord server and you wish to clear some channel from messages, you can delete messages one by one like this, or just hold shift key and then 3 dots, transforming into trash bin, so you can do it faster. If you wish to clear the whole chat, you need to do next right click on the chat's name and duplicate channel. Don't change the name over here, just create a new one. It appears here. It's empty, as you can see. Now you can right click and delete your old channel and move your new channel on the place where the old one was. That's pretty it, guys. Hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.